Hi YouTube, welcome to the Young Scientist channel. Today we will be reviewing the glowing pendulum from Tinker. So let's start with the instructions. They were pretty easy to use and the parts were very straightforward. So if you want to try it out, it's going to be really easy. They've separated it into 3 parts so that you can clearly see which part, on which step you need which part. So let's move on to the demonstration. Okay, so first let's talk briefly about the setup. Over here on the front we have our canvas, and over here we have our double pendulum. There is a LED on the back, which is emitting the UV light, and we have 2 cables that are connected to the LED, and this is the battery down here. So now on the back side, over here, we have, so this is the back side of the canvas. I've put 2 cans here to balance the weight, and over here, this is what's holding the pendulum to the canvas. So let's do the demonstration now. Let me just connect these wires. So there we go. We see these beautiful green glowing lines. So, excuse me, I think we can see this better if we turn the lights off. So over here, it goes down, up, and then makes these crazy chaotic lines. And this is what we're exploring here. We're just playing with the chaos. So, once again, now we have no control over this because gravity's just taking over and it's just going really chaotic. So let's go deeper into how this actually works. So over here we have our Tinker Design, where I got all this information from. So let's see how this works. Okay, so do you think a butterfly flapping its wings in the Amazon can cause a tornado in Texas? Well, maybe not, right? And I thought the same way too. But when I finished reading this book, I realized that it might just be possible. So, let's start from the beginning. So, in 1961, a meteorology professor at MIT named Edward Lorenz was running some weather data. So he rounded some numbers. He rounded some thousands of decimals to just change it a little bit. And he went out to get his coffee by then. So when he came back, he realized that his data was completely different. So he invented this new kind. He accidentally invented this whole new kind of science called chaos theory. So, do you want to see it in action again? So, we're back here again, and once again, you see it, just going around in chaotic lines. So you might be thinking, well, it's just a bunch of lines. How is it gonna impact our really huge Earth? Well, if you are a believer in chaos theory, you might know that maybe it is possible. So think about it. Can a butterfly flapping its wings in the Amazon cause a tornado in Texas? Okay, now that you know some things about chaos theory, can you find out which few of these 6 popular rides uses chaos? First choice, the roller coaster. Next, the tilt-a-whirl. The third one, the flying swing. The fourth one, the Ferris wheel. The fifth, the zipper. And the sixth, bumper cars. So, can you find out which one uses chaos? Put your answer in the comments below.